Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I am on a car salvage and I will show you how to remove and replace the blower motor resistor on a 2005 Jeep Liberty. This video applies to first generation of Jeep Liberties made from 2002 all the way up to 2007. Okay, so the blower motor resistor is located just behind the glove box. So what you want to do, first you want to open the glove box and then you'll want to lower it all the way down. You'll do that by pushing on these two clips, one on each side. One is here, other one is right here. So you'll just push it a bit towards yourself to get this clip out, and you'll do the same thing on the other side as well. And once you've done that, the glove box will just fall down. And your blower motor resistor is located right here, and it is held by two 8mm screws. So you'll see one down here and other one just on the top. So the next thing you want to do, you want to remove those two 8mm screws. Okay, once you have removed both of these screws, you can pretty much just pull the resistor straight out. There's nothing else holding it, and now to completely remove it, all you have to do, you just have to unplug it here. So you want to push this red safety clip out and then just click onto this release button clip right here and disconnect the wires. Okay, and that's it. This is how you remove the blower motor resistor on Jeep Liberty. So one more time, what you want to do, you want to pull this red clip out. That's like the locking mechanism. You just want to push it with your flat screwdriver, even your finger if you can. And then you just want to click onto this clip behind it, the black clip, and pull the resistor out. It's very easy. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.